Hi all, welcome back once again to SAP Solution by USC channel. Today topic is to step-by-step SAP MM Material Management Physical Inventory process. First of all, we want to know what is SAP MM Physical Inventory. The SAP MM Physical Inventory is a process of verifying the accuracy of the system like a physical stock against the quantity recorded in the system. It ensures that your system stock is level match your actual physical stock, which is crucial for accurate inventory management and reporting purpose. And this process that may involve the creation of the physical inventory document, take the print output, counting of the physical inventory document, enter the count in the system, then analyze the difference, and the potential initiating a recount if necessary before finally posting the difference as well. So in this process we have the 4 steps we have, and the step 1 is saying like a inventory document preparation. In this step that will be involve creation of the physical inventory document. This is for the beginning of the creation of the physical inventory document, which act as the containers for all the information related to the count. We can able to make the changes through MI02, and if you want to make the display of the physical inventory document, we will go with the MI03. Once physical inventory document has been created, warehouse person will take the print output of the physical inventory document through MI21. This document can be printed and provide the visual record of the materials to be counted. Then it will go to the step 3 as a counting and adjustment. In this step, warehouse person physically count the material and record the quantity on the printed document or through mobile device. For that, he will use the MI04 transaction code. Then you want to make the changes of the physical entry document code, you will go with the MI05, and if you want to display the physical entry document, you will go with the MI06. So in this process, that may involve the counting of the physical stock as well as the enter the count in the system. The counted quantity are then entered into the system, update the physical entry document as well. In this process, analyze the difference. The system compare the entries count with the system's book inventory as well as the identify any difference. Then what are the difference that will be identified, that will be posted as a post the difference. Once the count is finalized, the difference are posted and updated the stock system stock level to reflect the actual physical stock through MI07. We will get into the top system and we will understand what are the each steps and what are the T code that will be included and how we can able to process through physical inventory document in the MM module itself. Let's get into the topic in the system. So, okay. First of all, we want to know what is the material we want to taken for the physical inventory. That's the reason I will go with the MMB. I will take one of the material code and the under the plant under the store location how much stock is available. Once I executed on it, I can able to see there is a under the my plant and store location there is a 1050 each stock is available. This is system point of view, but physically how much stock is available, on that basis we need to update the system through physical inventory process. For that, as I said, step 1 is saying inventory document preparation. We will create the physical inventory document through MI01 transaction code. I will going with the MI01 transaction code. I will take the plant and I will take the storage location, click on enter. Then here in the material field, I need to mention my material code. This is my material code. I will mention the material code And suppose if material code is managed with a batch managed, then you need to make the batch number. Once I click on enter, so once then you need to make it as a save. Once you click on save, there is a one physical entry document is created. It's nothing but a 10011. So this is my physical inventory document. Once the physical entry document has been created, I will make a note of this PI document. Then if you want to make the display of the physical entry document, then you have to go with the MI02. I will go with the transaction MI02 to make the any changes in the particular physical entry document. And I will mention my physical entry document, click on enter. This is the physical entry document. If you want to make the changes in the sense a particular line item, you want to make it as a deletion. If you click on deletion, that will consider deletion as well. So if you want to make any modification for the particular physical entry document, you can able to do it. And the third transaction code is MI03. In this process, we can able to make the display of the physical entry document. So I am going with the MI03. So I will mention the physical entry document. I can able to make the display of the particular physical entry document as well. This is the information that will relate to the step 1. Step 2 is saying, once the physical entry document has been created, we will take the print output of the particular physical entry document, because the warehouse person to physically count the material and he want to make the record in the quantity in the printed documentation, or you will go with a mobile device as well. So for that, I need to take the print of the physical document, make it for the possible for the warehouse person can able to do the physical document counting purpose. For that, I will go in with the MI21 transaction code. Here I need to mention the physical entry document along with the plant and storage location. Once I click on execute, system is saying so the output device as well. Once I click on the print preview, I will get the details like what is the plant, what is the description of the plant, and physical inventory document number, and who is the created by, and when there is a planning has been scheduled, and what is the material code, and what is this is not yet counted because system still we are only created the physical entry document. Once the warehouse person he will go into the particular location and he will do the count and he will mention the count in the particular section itself. Once the counting process has been done, then he will come to the MI0. I will go to the system. So the second step is also that will be completed, and the third step is saying counting and adjusting. So for this, in this step, the particular warehouse person, what he will do, he will go with the MI04 transaction. What are the findings he found in the physical stock? He mention in the particular physical entry document. He will mention in the system as well for the particular physical entry document against for the particular material. What is the physical stock that will be exist in the particular storage location in the MI04 transaction. So I will go in with the MI04 transaction. I will mention the physical entry document and click on enter. Here in system, the particular material, the plant and my storage location is saying 1050 stock is available. But in this case, out of 1050, only in the physically only 1000 each is available. That means 50 stock that will be is not been available into the particular inventory due to many reasons, like the particular stock of the 50 stock of the difference. In the sense 1050 system is saying, but physically is 1000 available. How much stock is available in physically that we mention here. So once I save like instead of 1050 stock, only 1000 stock is available. Then I click on enter and I need to be click on save. Once you click on save, system what we will do, system will consider as only out of 1050 stock, 1000 stock is available in the physically in the particular location. In that basis, system will do the analyze the difference. System will, once you enter the actual stock in the system will make it as a compare the book inventory and to the system stock itself. Once the inventory count is completed, we have the option like we want to make the change of the physical inventory document through MI05. I'm going with the MI05 for the what are the physical inventory document is already counted, we can be able to make the changes itself. Suppose if you say like only 1050 stock is available in the like a system point of view, initially we make it as a 1000 is available in the physically, then later on you find it out like the 20 stock is also available, then you can able to make the modification as well here, otherwise you can able to leave it. Then in the step 3 is saying MI06 is nothing but a displaying of the counted physical inventory document. Then in the MI07, in this step is what will happen, we will once the counting is finished, the difference are posted and updated the system stock level or reflect the actual physical stock itself. So in our case, out of 1050, only 1000 stock is available in the physically. That's the reason we want to make it as a 1000 in the our inventory document as well. So 50 stock that will be considered as a due to XYZ reason that will be not in available into the particular location. So for that I want to make it as a post. I will go with the MI07 as I mentioned in the step 4. So once you are going with the MI07 transaction code, you have to mention the physical inventory document and click on enter. So I already opened in somewhere. Yeah, that's the reason system is saying. Okay. Once you click on enter, system is saying yeah, out of 1050 stock, you mention only 1000. The 50 is the difference. Can I post it? I am saying yeah, you can able to post with the sum of the reason. What is the reason we want to select? This is the below we have the drop down selection as well. Here you need to select in what is the reason basis the 50 stock is not available in the system. So I want to make it as the 50 stock is reduced in the system as well. So I will select as a like a for the damage purpose the 50 stock is not available to particular storage location. Once I click on enter the reason, then you want to make it as a save. In this process, there is a physical inventory document has been created. Once the physical inventory document has been created, this is the document number for that. I will copy this one and this is the our physical inventory posting document. And I want to see in the inventory as well the what are the 50 stock that will be reduced in our inventory. For that I will going here, I just execute out of 1050. Now stock need to be updated as a 1000. Once I refresh the screen, you can able to see the 1000 stock only showing here and the remaining 50 that will be taken as a physical inventory to that will reduce the stock. I want to know the what are the movement type that will be carried out here. In that case, you want to select the particular line, right click and you will go into the material movement and you will get the details. You can able to see there is a 702 movement type that will be taken and this is the material document of the physical inventory process that will be carried out. There is a 50 stock that will be reduced from our inventory. In this basis, we can able to process the physical inventory document as well. So we need to follow all the steps 4 and only that will be considered as the completion of the physical inventory document. Along with this, in the physical inventory document, what are the table that will be contents is, so there is a ISEG for the physical inventory item level and the another table is called a IKPF for the physical inventory header level. How we can able to see the things? So we are going with the table level detail in the SC69 So if I mention like ISEC, this is the physical entry document in item level, and I will mention my plant itself, USC1. I just execute. I want to know what for the my particular plant, what are the physical entry document has been created. Once I click on execute, I will get the list of physical entry document. And as I mentioned, this is my physical entry document as a 10011. This is the physical entry document that will be available as well. And if you want to see the physical entry document in the header level as well, the T code is IKPF. If I mention my physical entry document and click on execute, I will get the particular physical entry document next in the header level detail as well. So in this way, we can able to progress the physical inventory from the SAP MM point of view. If you still not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get some more new videos on it. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.